Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Candy, and today we are going to be doing a deep cleanse skincare routine. So I can always tell when my skin needs a deep cleaning. I start to get breakouts, my pores are a little bit larger than normal, and my makeup just doesn't lay as flawless as normal. So that's a trigger for me to know that my skin needs a little bit of extra care. So today what I want to share with you guys is how I use different masks and balms to deep clean my skin and then add back in the moisture using some oils and some moisturizers. So let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm wearing a powder foundation and just a little sunscreen. So I'm going to go in with my Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm just to remove the makeup. Now this balm is really nice for lightweight makeup. So I'm just going to take a little bit in my hand and massage it all over the skin. So oil helps to break down oil. So again, this skincare routine is all about deep cleaning. So by going in with cleansing balm first, I'm just prepping the skin to start penetrating some of those pores that may be a little bit blocked. Now Clinique recommends removing this with warm water, and as you guys know, I love using paper towels to clean my face just because it's very sanitary and super disposable. So and then I'm gonna pat the skin dry. Next, I'm gonna be trying a new product. These are the go-to exfoliating swipies. Now I was actually given a sample of these from Sephora to try out and to see if it's something I like. I tend to shy away from exfoliating, but my Sephora skin expert recommended these wipes as a gentle alternative to exfoliating the skin without causing too much irritation. So we'll try it out and see. So basically you're going to take these wipes, which are single-use pads, and they are soaked with an all-natural solution that helps to exfoliate and start to break down the skin to remove any type of pollution. It also says that it's a hydrating wipe, so that's also good because again, I have dry skin and I just try not to use products that are going to strip the skin too much. So basically you're just going to take this swipey all over the face and go into the neck. You want to avoid the eye area with any products like these, that are exfoliating, that are not, specifically rated for the eyes. So I'm going to definitely avoid that area. Now I have to tell you, one side is textured, so it feels like a little bit rough on the skin, and then the other side is smooth. Now they do recommend also using this at night. I am not doing that only because I can't record at night. Well, I can record at night, but it's just I wanted to try and do this with daylight. So I kind of liked the other video of daylight. What did you guys think? So yeah, so this feels good. It doesn't feel abrasive. My skin is not red or irritated or inflamed. It's not itching. So that's good. You can always tell if a product is going to start to irritate your skin almost immediately. Your skin is, if you listen to your skin, and I know that sounds weird, listen to your skin. But if you listen to your skin, you can almost tell immediately if a product is going to be too much, especially if you have sensitive skin. And this actually feels fine. I just feel like I have a lightweight serum. It feels like a serum actually. So my skin feels great. Now, so the next step is I'm going to take my Peter Thomas Roth, and this is the Irish Moor Mud Mask. This mask, guys, is so amazing. It has Irish Moor in it, which is really good for just detoxifying the skin. It also has charcoal in it, which helps to draw out any toxins and impurities in the skin. This mask is going to help refine the pores, but at the same time to just really get a good deep clean. So I'm going to take this with my Body Shop face brush mask, and you don't have to use this, you can obviously use your hand, but I just prefer to put mask on using a brush. So I'm just going to take that and dip it right in there, get it nice and gooey, and we're going to put this all over. And yes guys, it is a mud mask, so it it has charcoal in it, so it goes on black. This mask feels really good. Though it is very detoxifying, it's not very drying. Okay, so I went ahead and removed the mask off camera because it was just going to be a mess anyways. But wow, look how much brighter my skin looks. It feels really good. So the next step I want to do is start adding back in some hydration. So this is a good time to oh yeah, click the subscribe button down below. Become a part of my crew, guys. We have a lot of fun over here on this channel. But anyways, back to what we were talking about. And oh yeah, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, what are you waiting for, guys? Like, I am so active on Instagram. Your girl just posted a photo shoot. Oh, this bathing suit is so fire. Like, the bathing suit is so, it's so sexy. Go pop over to my Instagram at Candy's Land. It's the same on all platforms, and check that out. Let me know what you guys think. It's hot. So I'm just gonna sit here, snack a little bit, and give this another 5 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys, and we are gonna go into the next step of hydration. Don't worry, we're almost done, I promise. So now I'm gonna take a paper towel with some warm water and just remove that face mask. Remember to be gentle. Your skin has just gone through a couple of steps of exfoliation. So now I'm gonna take a dry cloth and just blot my skin. Oh, it feels so good. It feels really fresh, actually. It's a good word for it. So now I'm gonna go in with our last step of hydration. I know you guys are like, finally, this thing is over with. But hydration is huge, and you already know this. If you watch any of my skincare videos, you know, skincare is a process, but it is so worth it, and your skin will appreciate it, and it will show you love back the more that you love on it. So we gotta, you know, play it up for the skin. So the final step is actually two things. So I'm kind of cheating, but I'm gonna be infusing the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream and the Clinique Turnaround Revitalizing Oils. These products are amazing by themselves, and they're really, really good paired together. So this moisturizer, which I talked about on my last video, is really good. It's lightweight. It's a lightweight moisture cream. It's really good for hydrating, and it's not heavy at all. You really don't need a lot, like just a little bit, and actually that's probably too much. So I'm gonna take my moisture cream, and then I'm just gonna add in 3 drops of this turnaround oil. And this particular oil is very lightweight as well. It is vitamin E based, so it's really good for your skin. I'm just adding in the hydration. Oh, it feels so good. Make sure to get your neck. Show love to your neck. And just massage that into the skin. And by now, your skin should feel really supple. Like, it should feel hydrated. It should not be dry at all. So that wraps up our video for today. And before I let you guys go, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have supported my channel. Last week, we broke the 100th mark. Woo! Which means my channel officially has its own YouTube URL, and it will be recommended to more people, and it's like YouTube now actually takes me serious. So I am just so thankful for you guys for helping me to get over that threshold, and it's been an amazing journey thus far. But don't go anywhere, because I've got so much more for you guys. And for those who haven't subscribed, this is the perfect time. Once again, don't miss this opportunity to click the button down below and be a part of this. We are building something really amazing over here, and I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. So don't forget to go live life out loud, and then come back and tell your girl all about it. I love you. Be blessed.